Lecture 5, AI-driven content generation and optimization for affiliate marketing. Introduction. Welcome back, content innovators. After exploring data-driven decision-making last week, we're diving into perhaps the most exciting application of AI in affiliate marketing: automated content generation and optimization. Yesterday, I reviewed a case where an AI system generated 10,000 unique, high-converting product descriptions in 13 languages in just 6 hours. This same task would have taken a human team months to complete. That's the power of AI content generation. The content revolution gone are the days of manually writing and optimizing content. Today's AI systems can 1. Generate unique, engaging content. 2. Personalize at scale. 3. Optimize in real time. 4. Adapt across platforms. 5. Test and improve automatically. Let's dive into how this works. The foundation. Understanding AI content generation. 1. Natural language processing, NLP. 1. Language understanding. 2. Context analysis. 3. Sentiment recognition. 4. Style adaptation. 5. Tone matching. 2. Content types. AI can generate 1. Product descriptions. 2. Blog posts. 3. Social media content. 4. Email campaigns. 5. Landing pages. 6. Review content. 7. Comparison articles. 8. Technical specifications. 9. SEO-optimized content. 3. The generation process. 1. Input analysis. 2. Context understanding. 3. Structure creation. 4. Content generation. 5. Quality assurance. 6. Optimization, content personalization at scale. The real power lies in personalization. 1. Customer segmentation. 1. Behavioral patterns. 2. Purchase history. 3. Browsing habits. 4. Demographic data. 5. Psychographic profiles. 2. Dynamic content adaptation. 1. Real-time personalization. 2. Context-aware adjustments. 3. Platform optimization. 4. Device-specific formatting. 5. Language adaptation. 3. Engagement optimization. 1. Click-through rate enhancement. 2. Conversion optimization. 3. Time on page improvement. 4. Bounce rate reduction. 5. User experience optimization, multi-platform content strategy. Modern content must work across platforms. 1. Channel-specific optimization. 1. Social media formatting. 2. Email optimization. 3. Website content. 4. Mobile adaptation. 5. App-specific content. 2. Cross-platform consistency. 1. Brand voice maintenance. 2. Message alignment. 3. Style consistency. 4. Quality standards. 5. Performance tracking. 3. Platform-specific features. 1. Format requirements. 2. Character limitations. 3. Media integration. 4. Interactive elements. 5. Performance metrics, content testing and optimization. Continuous improvement through 1. A/B testing. 1. Headline variations. 2. Content structure. 3. Call to action placement. 4. Visual elements. 5. Timing optimization. 2. Performance analysis. 1. Engagement metrics. 2. Conversion rates. 3. Time on page. 4. Bounce rates. 5. Click-through rates. 3. Automated optimization. 1. Real-time adjustments. 2. Performance enhancement. 3. Content refinement. 4. Format optimization. 5. Strategy adaptation. SEO integration. AI-driven SEO optimization. 1. Keyword research. 1. Trend analysis. 2. Competition assessment. 3. Opportunity identification. 4. Long-tail optimization. 5. Intent matching. 2. Content structure. 1. Header optimization. 2. Meta description generation. 3. URL structure. 4. Internal linking. 5. Schema markup. 3. Performance tracking. 1. Ranking monitoring. 2. Traffic analysis. 3. Engagement metrics. 4. Conversion tracking. 5. ROI measurement. Quality assurance. Maintaining high standards through 1. Content verification. 1. Accuracy checking. 2. Fact verification. 3. Grammar control. 4. Style consistency. 5. Brand alignment. 2. Compliance monitoring. 1. Regulatory adherence. 2. Legal requirements. 3. Industry standards. 4. Brand guidelines. 5. Ethical considerations. 3. Performance standards. 1. Engagement metrics. 2. Conversion rates. 3. Quality scores. 4. User feedback. 5. ROI measurements. Implementation strategy. Here's your roadmap. Phase 1. Foundation. 1. AI system setup. 2. Content guidelines. 3. Quality standards. 4. Performance metrics. 5. Testing framework. Phase 2. Content generation. 1. Template creation. 2. Style guides. 3. Generation rules. 4. Quality controls. 5. Performance monitoring. Phase 3. Optimization. 1. Performance analysis. 2. Content refinement. 3. Strategy adjustment. 4. System enhancement. 5. Continuous improvement. Common challenges. Address these early. 1. Quality control. 1. Consistency maintenance. 2. Accuracy assurance. 3. Style adherence. 4. Brand alignment. 5. Performance standards. 2. Technical issues. 1. System integration. 2. Platform compatibility. 3. Performance optimization. 4. Resource management. 5. Scalability concerns. 3. Strategic challenges. 1. Content strategy alignment. 2. Performance measurement. 3. Resource allocation. 4. Team adaptation. 5. Process integration success metrics. Track these KPIs. 1. Content performance. 1. Engagement rates. 2. Conversion metrics. 3. Time on page. 4. Bounce rates. 5. Share rates. 2. Generation efficiency. 1. Production speed. 2. Resource utilization. 3. Cost per piece. 4. Quality scores. 5. Error rates. 3. Business impact. 1. Revenue generation. 2. Cost reduction. 3. ROI improvement. 4. Market share. 5. Brand impact future trends. Prepare for 1. Advanced AI capabilities. 1. Enhanced personalization. 2. Better natural language. 3. Improved creativity. 4. Greater accuracy. 5. Faster generation. 2. New content formats. 1. Interactive content. 2. Voice optimization. 3. AR/VR content. 4. Video generation. 5. Dynamic adaptation. 3. Integration advances. 1. Platform connectivity. 2. System integration. 3. Data utilization. 4. Performance tracking. 5. Strategy alignment. Practical exercise for next week. 1. Audit current content. 2. Identify AI opportunities. 3. Plan implementation. 4. Set success metrics. Looking ahead. Next week. Cross-industry applications. 1. Vertical-specific strategies. 2. Industry adaptations. 3. Custom solutions. 4. Performance optimization. Remember, AI content generation isn't about replacing human creativity. It's about amplifying it at scale. Questions to consider. 1. What content tasks consume most time? 2. Where could AI make immediate impact? 3. What quality concerns need addressing? 4. How will you measure success? This concludes Lecture 5. Next week, we'll explore how these principles apply across different industries. Bring your content audit results and questions.